Okay, it's Tuesday, January 9th. I'm buying some Tesla 240 puts here at 671. This is up here on the 15-minute chart as it's making kind of, first of all, it's had a down day from the start. On the daily chart, it's a two down day that still has targets down here below in the bigger picture as it continues lower. And then today, given the fact it had its little pullback, a little pause, and then it took out some liquidity, and now it's getting a shooter bar. I'm buying the puts right up in here, looking for it to make a two down bar eventually, kind of maybe take out these lows and see if we can get to the lows of the day. Again, in the big picture on the weekly chart, it's a two down continuation week after the red week. And I still see some targets down here that it could hit. So with the overall market, it gapped down a little bit. It followed through higher from yesterday. It's a little exhaustion risk, probably due for, even if it's going to make a secondary push up on the day. These are the QQQs. It's probably due for a little pause here. I'm just looking at the weakest stock, that has a downward bias as an opportunity to sell and see if it makes its secondary push lower towards the lows of the day where the other stocks just consolidate. So again, this is one of the weaker stocks in terms of today's action, and it took out some liquidity here, holding kind of the midpoint of that first move down. So I'll look for another push down towards the lows of the day if all goes well. At a minimum, should take out this little level to set up a no-risk trade on the downside as it works to the bottom of the range.